also discussed today in the review meeting relating to the confusion on the disposal of the dead bodies. Few instances were detected where ultimately the concerned organization, maybe Sengraj, Senghasi, or the fellowship group, or what any group, what we seen was they were scared to take the dead body. They were scared to even conduct the rituality as done in the normal time. So we would like to request therefore from the government, now please don't hesitate to dispose of the dead body, because those dead bodies who died out of COVID-19, the protocol was already in place where the dead body was properly wrapped, and then thereafter the relative will take over the dead body. Of course, we don't allow the dead body to be brought inside the house. It should be outside the house for few hours, then take to the place wherever needed for the final disposal. So we would request therefore all concerned not to be scared. Number two, you can perform and you can also do the necessary with full protection materials. PPE will be provided to those houses where the death happened. We will provide PPE at least for few people to take care of the dead.